is the best hotel so far. I have to get straight into the room tour. Made it to Mykonos. This is our hotel. It's beautiful, stunning. I love that everything is white. I just feel like it's just nice to be in an all white space sometimes. It just gives clean, it gives pristine. It's just really nice. And I like all of the little touches all throughout the place. Like these chunky floating shelves are very nice. The bathroom, lovely. The view, even lovelier. I just love it. The only little thing, if I'm being picky, the bathroom just looks kind of scary where the shower is, because it's like off by itself and it's kind of dark. But I'm not gonna harp on that too much. Look at this view. Oh, gasp. So beautiful. So beautiful. This is like walking in the other way. Love it. We also have our own little like private beach access. The drive up here was beautiful and we can just walk down. It's a pretty steep hill, but we can just walk down there and get straight into the water. So definitely will be doing that. I don't know what we're gonna get into right now. I'm pretty tired. I feel like I just didn't get that much sleep last night. Really, I don't think any of us did. Maybe the parents, but us young people, we got no sleep last night. I'm gonna find somewhere to get food though, I will say that. Oh, I just love this. It's so nice. It's beautiful.
There's a bee.
There's a bee?
Yep.
Wrap that up. Jalen hates bees. And wrap up the outside time. Welcome back inside. We're gonna go ahead and grace the beach and see what they're talking about down there. Quick little OTD. Sandals. I got this dress secondhand. Amazing. And then I have a Target bathing suit, one piece underneath. Got my Target beach bag filled to the brim with the most random of accessories. I even put some body bronzer on. The one from Sol de Janeiro, I think. Let me show you. It smells so good. Really nice. Who is this by? Okay, I knew I wasn't crazy. I was like, I feel like this is Sol de Janeiro. This is my face SPF. Did a little bit of blush, and that's pretty much it. This is another POV. I just did a little get ready with me over on TikTok. So this is how we're looking. Very bronzy, skin is very glowy. Nice little blush moment. Very cute. Okay, bye, see ya. Very cold, very cold. Oh my gosh. And I have bad news. The good news, the beach was amazing. It was beautiful. We need to go earlier tomorrow though, because the sun was setting, so it was getting kind of cold. The bad news is we're going out again. Since we're in Mykonos, we've heard like this is such a party city. So like I feel like we have to experience it or else we just won't know what people are talking about. Because in Santorini, like they had party spots, but it was definitely a more, would you call it like secluded kind of party scene? Yeah, it's like a chill party scene. And so we went out twice there in a row. This is our third night going out, and then we're saying we're gonna call it quits. But we at least have to see what Mykonos is giving, because literally everyone, locals and like other tourist people who have like come here, keep saying that this is such a party place. So this is one of my last going out dresses that I have. I got this from a sample sale. This is from Callahan. It's kind of like a sweater dress material, and it's a halter with green little detail. So let's see how this looks. Will you tie my dress for me, sir?
There you go.
I'm gonna wear these same black little sandals that I keep wearing every single night. I almost brought heels because I was like, sometimes outfits really do look better with heels, especially like nighttime outfits. These are very daytime to me. I don't know why, maybe because they're like chunky, and like the silhouettes that I'm usually wearing with these, like at nighttime, it's like, it works because they're black, but definitely wouldn't be my first choice. But I decided against bringing heels because I was like, there's a lot of walking, there's cobblestone, and I just wasn't sure. So now I pretty much wear these every single night.
Chat, she doesn't know. She doesn't know if she likes it. She don't know if she's feeling it.
That's cute. This isn't bad. We can make do with this. I just need to actually switch all of my stuff over to this purse. Boy smells. Rose Load. I've been obsessed with this. Brand new pack. Okay, I think that's it.
Yes, there's something bad. It
Huh?
looks cute and you smell good. Oh, hi vlog. I thought you were trying to point to the bag. I was like, is there something in the bag? Hi, Ari's vlog.
This is my little Kozo Taylor for twins. Aren't we so cute? Okay.
Oh yeah, we should have turned from the back. They won't be able to tell. Who's
No, literally. She posted this photo the other day.
Who is it?
And I thought it was me. Anyways, going to dinner first, and then we're going out. Wish all of us luck.
Kebab Euro.
I'm gonna get this fries.
That's like a meal with beef.
I've been influenced. What'd you say?
Happy birthday. Oh my God. Oh my God. That looks amazing.
Hurry now, hurry, burn it down.
Hello. I just did some skincare, so I'm like, I might as well jump straight into my makeup. We have another excursion today, so we're gonna go do a Jeep tour, which I've never done that before. I'm kind of excited for. I was gonna say I'm really excited, but I don't know if I would say really excited. I'm debating if I wanna try this Supergoop SPF 50 tinted SPF tint. Okay, whatever. I'm deciding if I feel like trying new makeup today or if I just want to just do my usual. I already have one in SPF 60 right now, the one from Shiseido. Let me just see what the color matches for this because I do not know. It matches. I think it's just really sheer and very skin-like, which isn't a bad thing. This would be really good on a very like skin-forward day. I used like 7 different products in my morning routine for my skincare. So in some ways, I guess I am already geared toward a skin-friendly kind of like makeup look right now. So I'm just gonna roll with it. Gonna be my outfit. First time wearing jeans on this trip. I'm just running out of outfits, really nothing new. And I figured a Jeep tour is like the perfect day to wear jeans maybe, hopefully, I don't know. I really wanna wear these sunglasses that I got from Crap Eyewear when they were on sale. I just feel like these give like Jeep tour, safari kind of vibes. So this will be my first time wearing these today. Looking forward to it. I think I wanna carry this purse. I got this last summer when I went to Lisbon. for like 20 euros, I think. I'm trying to decide if I want to do something different with earrings. I usually play it very simple with like these little hoops, and I put these studs in there. I got both of these from Etsy. It is kind of cute though. It could be cute. Let's see, let's see. I think it looks better with hair half up, half down. I've just been like tying my hair around itself and then securing it with like a little clip so that it doesn't come unraveled. We're gonna do some jewel tone necklaces. Okay, here we have it. Sandals. Going on a little Jeep tour, wish us luck.
That's why it's good to go Uber though.
Do the red one taste more like you like?
Here we go.
I'm not looking forward to it.
Help.
Yes, I'm finished. Thank you.
We've been out 3 nights. Ain't no.
My wife is gonna be a little hot at me.
25.
It's my first time having the rosé. Let's see.
I like the rosé better.
It's smoother.
It is. Better than the white.
Yeah, it doesn't have a bite at the end. I can do
It
that.
goes down.
In Greece. The best chef in Greece, y'all.
Yeah.
They're taking a long time.
Hey, they're okay.
What is going on? Hold on, Jalen.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm not well.
Jalen.
Bye, little goatee woadies. I love you guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Bravo. Thank you.
It's our last beach day here in Mykonos because we leave tomorrow. So we're gonna go enjoy the sun, enjoy the water. I don't know that I'm fully getting in, but I might get my little toes wet, you know? Hopefully we won't tumble down this hill.
second favorite color, but the one I wear the most. Thank you.
The second roll is the avocado. And your roll is coming.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
Just got back from breakfast and now I need to pack up my entire suitcase because we are off to the next place. I'm so tired, but it's like I don't want the trip to end at the same time. Like I don't want to go home, but I think the chaos of like getting on the ferry and like packing up every couple of days to go somewhere new is just weighing on me. But I would prefer this than being stuck at home. I will say I feel like Mykonos is my favorite so far. It was Santorini when I had only seen Santorini, but I feel like since Mykonos has a really nice beach and a pool, I feel like the hotel is so much more grand and like elaborate and really nice. That's just getting to my head, and so automatically I'm like, oh, Mykonos is way better. So I'm kind of sad to be leaving. It's just so nice here. In other news, we're headed to Athens, which is like the capital of Greece. So I think it's going to be a much bigger city with more to do, but we're only going to be there for like a day. So we get there tonight, maybe like evening time, and then we have all day tomorrow, and then we leave to go home the next day. So we don't have very much time there. Saying my final goodbyes to Mykonos.
You talking about the new one? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.